Today the electrician came and he put in the LED lights, dimmable lights in the bathroom. So spent some time today remudding some errors that I did. Looking pretty good, coming out nice. Mud's still drying. Did a lot of sanding and realized I didn't do the third coat, so got the third coat of mud on in the areas. Starting to look good. Corner had a few issues, had to deal with that. And I'm gonna let this dry overnight. And tomorrow I will most probably get the sanding, but I'll check and make sure I have enough mud everywhere again. So yeah, had to take this molding on this side off because the paper was up in here and it really showed, so I had to pull this on and we'll just put it back on later. All around the shower, mud's in there, all sanded. That's ready for paint. That was long. That was a long project right in there, I can tell you that. But it's done. And yeah, an extra day of delay. Get all the sanding done. And then clean up, and then it'll be time for paint. Oh, the joy. Just thought I'd let you people see that.